Hello everybody. Birds are tweeting. Can you hear them? Yeah, I think I can hear them, so hopefully you can hear them. Maybe a dog barking somewhere. So last week, or probably the week before, I felled some larch, and I just started to make some gate posts. I got to strip the bark off and then start see if we can get them in the ground. I bought a massive gate hinge somewhere over there. There we go. Anyway, look, let's see how we get on. It's Monday, quite busy on Mondays, getting stuff ready, changing jobs over, things like that. So anyway, let's crack on. Right, so I have stripped all the bark. Looks a little bit rough at the minute. I'll give it a bit more of a tidy once it's in the ground. So now I've got to put it in a hole. I made a pilot hole. I need to bang it in. I used a straighter edge for the gate. I see the sausage dog in the distance and Mr. Bellamy. Chainsaw. Right, next bit. Right, I've put the gate post in the ground, as you can see, and hung the gate. I need to put a latching post on the other end. So it's gone in three and a half feet. Sorry about that, that was a lot of threes I just said then. So time for a cup of tea now. Then I'm going to strip the bark off this. Okie dokie. Speak to you in a bit. So I have now installed both posts, larch posts, which I felled a week and a half ago. I think that's when they were felled. So just to do a shot without my face in it. There we go. I'm gonna obviously cut that off. This is just raw timber. I have so larch. I've just stripped all the bark off, popped them in the ground. There we go. So larch has its own natural preservative in it. So we'll see how long this lasts, but it's tidied the area up nicely. Yeah, and the sun did come out today, as you can see. It's nice. The sun against the trees. What a picture! That's fantastic. If I shut up, you can hear the birds tweeting. That's good, isn't it? Yeah. Anyway, we'll look forward to speaking to you all soon.